Hello student, today we are just going to study about image formula. In previous video, we discussed about the image formation. That means all the formula, all the image, with the help of all the image, we can prove the mirror formula. But we choose such type of image in which all the distance have its proper value. That means if we take the object is at center of curvature, then image also form at center of curvature, and we can say U and V have the same distance. So we choose such type of image, image in which all the distance are different. So here we are going to study about the mirror formula, basically in concave mirror. Now let's see on the board. Here we have XY, a concave mirror having P is the pole. A image AB is behind its center of curvature. So, for the image formation, we should take at least 2 points from the tip of the object. So, we get the image between center of curvature and focus. Here AP is U, A''P is V, and FP is P. Now, just see the image. We have just a construction. From the point of incident, that is M, we take a perpendicular MN on the principal axis. Now in triangle BAP and triangle B'A''P, we have actually these two triangles BAP and B'A''P are similar. Why? Because object and image just a perpendicular on the principal axis, and angle I is equal to angle R, because CP is just a radius which is perpendicular, behaves as a normal at point P. So these triangles are similar, and we can say by the similarity rules their sides are proportional. So we can say AB by A''B is equal to AP by A''P. This equation first. Now we take a triangle M and F and B'A''F. Look, these two angles, these are also similar because here point N and A' is the perpendicular, as well as this angle and this angles are vertical oppositely. So they are the similar triangles, and by the rules of property we can say in triangle M and F and triangle B'A''F we have Mn by A''B' is equal to NF by A''F. We just discussed for experimental purpose we should take such a mirror having aperture is very small. So for the small aperture, N is very nearer to P, and we can say that NF tends to PF. So for a small aperture, NF is just tends to PF. On the other hand, this ray, that means BM is parallel to the principal axis. BM is parallel to the principal axis. So we can say that AB and MN are equal. So AB is equal to MN. We can write just so from equation 1 and 2 we can say that the RHS value, LHS values of both the equations are same. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can say that AP, we can say that means AP by A''P, and whenever NF tends to PF, so we can say that AP by A''P is equal to PF by A''F. This is equation number 3. Now let's see. From this equation we can write, what? That AP by A' P is equal to PF by, we can write A dash F as A dash P minus PF. We can write, because it is not a symbolic distance, in form of the symbolic distance, we can write A dash F is equal to A dash P minus F. Now take their values. We can say AP, that is U by B, is equal to PF. We can write PF is equal to F minus B minus F. Now by cross multiplication we get that UV minus UF is equal to BF. This is the basic formula. This is, we can say, equation 4. This is the basic formula of mirror. We can say this is the basic formula of mirror. Now by erasing this diagram, we can erase. We can write these equations as, we can write this equation UV is equal to UF plus BF. By dividing this by UVF, we have UV by UVF is equal to UF by UVF plus BF by UVF. We get the value. That means we can say therefore 1 by F is equal to 1 by B plus 1 by U. This is our mirror formula. This is the basic formula. That means a reciprocal of the focal length, any mirror. This formula is applicable for both concave as well as convex mirror. That means reciprocal of the focal length of any mirror is equal to the reciprocals of the sum of image distance and the object distance. So we can solve all the numericals of any books with the help of this formula. For today, thank you.